Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download the Zerion wallet application on your smartphone. So let's get started right away. Now if you're using an iOS device, open up the App Store, and if you're using Android, go ahead and open up the Google Play Store. Now once you open it up, simply tap on the search box and then search for Zerion wallet. Once you find the application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Just tap on install and this will begin the download and installation of the Zerion wallet application on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when it is done, you will see the open button. You can simply tap on open and this will open up the Zerion wallet application on your device. You can now proceed with signing in to your account or signing up for a new wallet. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download the Zerion wallet application on your smartphone. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.